Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Shut the aerator if it unscrews or close the supply if the job gets wet. Mix 1 part white vinegar with 1 part water for a gentle descaling solution and add a drop of dish soap to break oils. Apply the mix to a microfiber cloth and wipe the entire tap, handle, spout, and base, working toward mineral deposits. Once done, use a soft toothbrush to loosen stubborn grit. Make sure to keep the area damp, not dripping. You now tackle the hard middle. Make a paste of baking soda and water and spread it on chalky mineral rings. This mild abrasion lifts scale without scratching. Let it dwell 5 to 10 minutes, then scrub gently with the soft toothbrush, getting into seams and the aerator threads. Rinse thoroughly with warm water to remove residue, and immediately dry with a clean microfiber cloth to prevent new spots. Once done, buff in the direction of the grain for a uniform finish. You finish by polishing. Apply a tiny amount of olive oil or dedicated stainless polish on a microfiber and buff along the metal grain to restore shine and repel fingerprints. Reassemble the aerator, run water, and cycle the handle to confirm smooth operation and no leaks. If mineral stains persist, repeat a short vinegar soak or switch to a commercial descaler. Use sparingly. Troubleshooting tip: if finish dulls, don't scrub harder. Instead, soak longer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.